Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with the best Shelo Nabel Fibra cereals available in the market. The Shelo Nabel Jugo Verde 460g is specifically designed to benefit the gastrointestinal system. The Shelo Nabel Jugo Verde is a powerful blend of fruits and vegetables, including dehydrated pineapple, grapefruit, celery, nopal, parsley, and lemon. This unique combination is packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to support a healthy gastrointestinal system. Weighing 460 grams, this product is manufactured by Shelo Nabel. It comes in a convenient powder form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The item has received a rating of 3.1 out of 5 from 2 global ratings, showcasing its effectiveness. The Shelo Nabel Jugo Verde is not just a regular health supplement. It is specially formulated to promote digestive health and support the overall well-being of your gastrointestinal system. With its rich nutrient profile, this product can help improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost your immune system. To incorporate this beneficial product into your daily routine, simply mix the powder with water or your favorite juice. You can enjoy it as a refreshing drink in the morning or throughout the day to reap the full benefits of its natural ingredients. In conclusion, the Shelo Nabel Jugo Verde 460g is a must-have for anyone looking to support their gastrointestinal health and boost their overall well-being. With its potent blend of fruits and vegetables, this product is sure to become a staple in your daily wellness routine. Give it a try today and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.